Why learning English can change your life. Learning English might sound like a really difficult task, but it's also very rewarding too. From helping you to see the world, to making new opportunities in your career, learning English can really open new doors for you. Still not convinced? Then read on to learn just why studying English will make a difference in your life. Explore the globe. Think you can only use English in English-speaking countries like the UK or US? Think again. English is in fact one of the most commonly spoken languages on the planet wherever you are in the world. In fact, nearly 2 billion people speak English, and another billion are learning every day. Boost your career. As the world becomes smarter and interconnected, being able to communicate with people from different countries becomes a really valuable skill. Learning English can really boost your employment opportunities and help you to expand your talents across a worldwide stage. Use it wherever you go. From Oslo to Osaka, Delhi to Denver, learning English will be your passport to see the world. English is often used as the most common language for official purposes, after a country's main language. It's definitely useful to know when you're trying to find your way out of a foreign airport. Enjoy the world's culture. Love pop music and blockbuster movies? Get the most out of them by experiencing them as they really are in English. Seeing your favorite movie actors or singing along to the biggest stars on stage is extra fun when you know the words in English. Discover a world of knowledge. If you want to expand your knowledge, study further or carry out research, then English will be an invaluable tool. English is used by the world's top universities, journals, and publishers. It's also one of the most common languages used for presentations and conferences, especially when you are speaking to an international audience. Plus, if you want to study at one of the world's best institutions, learning English will be a really helpful first step for your career.